water tank hike because there's a water tank up here. And this is the view of Lake Argyle that we're enjoying. And here's the water coming out of the dam, making hydroelectricity on the right. This is the Ord River, goes right to the ocean.
The ones with the spots, the 7 spotted arches. Now if you're going to catch a catfish, you need to be aware of its spikes. 3 spikes, very it's not due to me, but if you fish at the boat ramp, the pontoon, or down at hydro, 99%.
How's it feel, Grant?
Feels good.
Warm?
We're up here in the Kimberley, and we were told yesterday that this is Kimberley heather, a pretty pink flower.
My name's Heather, and I'm in the Kimberley region of Western Australia with Kimberley heather. We were told by our tour guide that it is a citronella. Aboriginals would use it to keep off insects, but he said he's tried it and it didn't work, so who knows.
Yeah, we've got Heather in the infinity pool at Lake Argyle. She's the pool, and in the background is a beautiful lake.
13-hour day one time. Some of them are good. Some of them are really good. Some of them aren't really good. They make sure they stay on that.